Eddie, look.
Ah.
You don't want to be over there.
Here, I hand it to you.
Oh, you're just recording a video?
Yeah.
Hey, look, Eddie. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Get all the birds. Can I go in there, Mom? No, because you'll scare the bird.
Let's go. Throw it.
Oh, he lost it.
Woohoo!
He had it. This poor one right here.
Is it baby?
No, that's a bigger one. Sit down. You don't
Whoa.
scare him. Did you get that?
That
Look at him. Like, kind of hover.
Give me a little
Okay, save some for you, Eddie.
I've got another bag. Probably better not have an open one in the car.
Yeah.
That good one got it. The last one.
Is the last one?
Is that the last one?
Sorry, we're out of some.
What'd you say, Eddie?
I said sorry, we're out of some.
You said what? I don't know if this can hear you. Sorry, you're out of them? Okay.